Dotty's pal. Whew. Well, surprisingly, everybody's early today, so I can call the meeting to order really early. All right, let me get the marble. Turn on the machine. Move this, because it could do that again. Ow. Meeting is to order, and I have an announcement. Does anybody want to share anything? Nobody? Okay, I have an announcement today. We have a new temporary member of the Mini Boo Alliance. Who is it? Who is it? It's my pal, Speckles. Ow. Sorry, Speckles. Hey, guys. Speckles! 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 Oh, thank you. Speckles is my new pal. I just saw her today and asked her to be my friend. I think we're going to be best of friends. Best of friends? What does she mean by that? I don't know, but we have to respect her decision. That's true. Yeah, we always love s'mores. Oh, wow. That man wishes he had stayed home today. No, he doesn't. Just leave him alone. Oh, okay. So, what do you want to do first of all, Speckles? Well, why don't you call me Specs? I don't know. We have an elephant already named Specs. And yeah, that wouldn't make any sense. Yes, it would. Come on. Fine. Let's call you Specs. Specs it is, I guess. Okay. You okay, Kiki? Yeah, I'm fine. You don't have to pat me. I'm good. Okay, I'm just making sure. Okay. All right. Let's do art. We always sit at the same table, Speckles, right here. Want to come? Actually, I wanted Speckles to sit over here with me. Okay. After art. We always draw a picture of each other. I drew Fantasia. I drew Coconut. I drew Waddles. I drew Sammy. And Sammy drew Duke. Duke drew Safari. Safari drew Bamboo. Bamboo did Slush. And Slush did Kiki. And Kiki did Icy. And Icy did Leona. And I also did you, Dotty. Who did you do? Oh, I did Speckles. What? You were supposed to do me. I know. I have to go run home and get something. Would you mind? Yeah, I'll come and help you with it. Gee whiz. Dotty's spending way too much time with her friend. Yeah, tell me about it. And if only there was some way we could prove to her then. We can. Let's spy. Let's spy over here. Nobody ever goes back in this nook and cranny, or is it Crook and Nanny? I don't know. Come on, Kiki, let's hide over here. I'll carry you. And I'll carry you. I practice ninja. All right, we got all of our stuff. Here's the proof we need. I wonder where'd everybody go? Maybe they left. But I didn't say the meeting was over yet. Oh well, at least I have you. Caught! Wait, what are you doing? We did it! We proved that you like Speckles more than you do us. What? No, that's not true. I just like to spend time with her, but nobody beats you guys. Oh! I'm not really much of a good flyer. I really mean that. Speckles here is temporary. Didn't you hear me say that? Oh, yeah, she did say that, didn't she? She won't be here tomorrow. Oh, she is temporary. So I guess we better have the most fun we can with her. Let's have some fun! Woo! Pudding together. Ugh, Bamboo's late today. Yeah, Bamboo's normally not ever late. But nobody's ever been this late. Should you just start the meeting, Dotty? No, I can't start until everybody's here. Woo-hoo! I just ran and got this at the store. I just ran and got this puzzle at the store. If you don't mind me, I'm going to just work on it over here. If you don't mind, you can go ahead and start the meeting, Dotty. Sure, okay. I call this meeting to order. Okay. All right. Sure you don't need any help with that? No, I've got it. I promise I'll finish it before the meeting's over. Okay. Bam! Alright, the meeting is to order. Bamboo, would you like to say something today? Oh, sure. I just got this puzzle. I thought you already said that. No, there's always room for one more thing. Now, come on, puzzle. How do you go together? How do you fix together? Huh. This is harder than it looks. Is this right? Huzzah! I got a piece in. Woohoo! I got another piece in. Double huzzah! Do you even know what that word means? No, but I like it. You sure you don't need any help? Yeah, you sure? No way, Jose. I've got it. You sure? We can always help. I'm like a puzzle master. And I'm a puzzle natural. And I'm a puzzle, nerd? Nobody here is a nerd. Oh, yeah, I knew that. Okay. All right, then. Okay, I'll put one in. I'll put a puzzle ease. Ta-da! There, now let's help you with the rest. No, I got it. I said just one. You sure? You look like you need help. But this gives me the topic today. What's the topic? Helpful. Oh, yeah. We can help each other. Even if a certain panda needs help with a certain Winnie the Pooh puzzle. Winnie the Pooh? Like Winnie the Poop? No, it's just Pooh. P-O-O-H. Oh, okay. I can do this. I've got this. I know what I'm doing. Oh, what's the use? Fine. You can help me. Okay, watch the puzzle master do her thing. Yeah, See if you can finish this faster than me. It's okay to be open for help. Even if you have to yelp. Be open for help. Owie. Owie again. Well, that won't do. A piece is missing. And it's not in the box. And it's not in my box. Where could it be? Oh, great. Now we lost a puzzle piece. Wait. No, we didn't. Ta-da! Well, you are pretty good at building puzzles yourself. Oh, so are you. You're way better than me. I should have just asked for help the first time. That puzzle would have never been done without you. Oh, no. Not me. Well, that's where our topic today comes from. Help. Help others because they might need yours one day. And we'll put it together. Yeah. Sounds like fun. Woo! Woo! I have a puzzle to put together as well. Come on, I'll show it to you, Dotty. Okay. Oh. See? Good grief. How many pieces is this? 750. 750? Who puts together a puzzle that has 750 pieces? Oh, well, we'll help you as well. Yay! Woo!